Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a graph on Google Docs in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to create a chart on Google Docs, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To make a graph on Google Docs, first of all, open the Google Docs app on your computer web browser. Once you're on Google Docs, create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add the graph. I am going to insert a graph into this document. Now, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. This opens a drop-down with different insert options. From the Insert drop-down, hover your mouse over the chart option. A side menu will appear with different types of charts. Now, select the type of graph you want to add. You can choose either bar, column, line, or pie. Once the default graph is added, click on the chart to select and edit the chart data. You can edit text, color, and more from the graph. You will see a linked chart options icon at the top right corner. Click on the three dots icon next to it and select Open Source to open the linked Google Sheet.